Hi, welcome to Art of Reggae Drumming. I'm Andrew. My book can be purchased on Amazon entitled Art of Reggae Drumming. In this video, I'll be looking at an exercise out of my book. It's page 3, third line down, first two measures. We'll be playing this exercise first in straight 4 and then in 1 drop. As in my previous videos, straight 4 is when the bass drum is played on all quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And in 1 drop, the bass drum is played only on the third beat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. In this exercise, the hi-hat variation is going to be 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. Snare drums on third beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, here we go. This is what it's going to sound like. Put on my metronome. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we'll be doing the same exercise but in 1 drop. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2. 1 and 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. There you have it, the 2 forms of reggae beats. Please like this video, leave any comments, and until next time, thanks for watching.